Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. We have a medical device that I would like to talk about today. So these folks reached out to me via Instagram, DermaQuik, and this is an over-the-counter version of, there's a prescription one of these too that they use at hospitals, emergency rooms, and that sort of thing. This was the over-the-counter kind of home and field version of it, and what it is this thing. And I didn't have a cut when I put this dude on there, but I did need to do a bunch of stuff around the house, a bunch of yard work, several truckloads of limbs and stuff I needed to load up, haul off, and burn. I didn't burn them, but I did do lots of loading and unloading, and I wanted to see how well the adhesive held. A little disclaimer on this: apparently if you put something right here on your wrist, it is the exact spot where your wrist touches your nipple on that side. So, like when you're taking a shower and you're sudsing yourself up, this will tear your nipple completely off of your body. Just heads up, and you'll need one of these for your nipple. But I think any other place would be fine. So, this is yesterday about 11 o'clock, I guess. I put this dude on, and I followed the instructions all the way up to this point. So these are like little kits that it comes with. So each one comes with 3 of these guys, which is the device, a large band-aid, and an alcohol prep pad. And I did not use, I gave one of these to someone else for them to play with. I'm not sure what they're going to be doing with it, but that's why it's kind of odd numbered. But I did everything that I was supposed to do. I cleaned it, I put that guy on there. And I did not put this on it because I wanted to know how this thing performed as it is without any kind of cover on it. It would probably last much longer covered. It's been through one shower, and it looks, it looks like it's holding pretty good. The stuff has gotten like the fuzzy look to it. But we'll see. I'm just going to wear it till it falls off. We'll see how long that takes just to see about the adhesive part of it. But yeah, the kit comes with 3 large bandages, 3 of the DermaQuik closures, and 3 large alcohol prep pads, and some instructions. Before I go getting too crazy with it, I'm going to do this just kind of a wear test to see how long it stays on there. I hit it several times, as well as when I was sleeping. Depending on how I laid, it's hard plastic, so it's not comfortable against your skin, and it is kind of scratchy too. Like I think I could probably scratch myself with it hard enough that it would break the skin. There's lots of edges on this thing that are pretty sharp. Not, knife sharp, but sharp enough where it could definitely scratch you. So it gets caught on things. That's more than likely the reason why you would cover this thing after the fact, and then it wouldn't be snagging on anything. It would just be smooth. But we're going to see how this thing goes. The installation is really simple. It's just where's it at right here? Everything's sterile, so it's all clean when you get it. And you crack this guy open. And it has the 2 adhesive pads. And the way that I found the easiest way to get the back off was I tore these straight across, and it exposed the very end of the adhesive pad on both sides, and then I was able to peel it off. And you put it, it says on the edges of your cut, so depending on, you know, if you get good cuts, they like to open up like that, like a kind of almond shape, over just, you know, a line. So they do kind of open up. You would get this guy on the edges of that cut, and once you're on the edges of it, you need to make sure you get this, you clean it first. Sorry, you clean it all good, get all your blood and sweat and all that mess off of there. And this stuff is pressure sensitive, so you really have to massage this in the skin to make sure it sticks good. And then after it's on there, it's got these little pull tabs, these guys. You pull it and it'll squeeze itself together. And then once it's squeezed together, there's some little like ledges on it there. I just pushed it together hard with my fingers, and it clicks, like there's an audible click. And they kind of, it bends upwards. So kind of like the roof on a house, like when you're looking at it like that, it's not flat anymore. And it clicks, and it sticks together like that. And then you would apply the large bandage over the top of it. But pretty cool. I don't ever really need these things, I hope. But, I mean, there's been several times, mainly on my fingers, where I probably could have used some stitches before. But I don't. I'm not a very big stitch guy. I just kind of glue it together, whatever. But this would be handy to have because, knock on wood, when you're playing with knives and stuff, you're bound to get cut. This is just the first video. Once this thing falls off and we put a little time in with it, I'll do a follow-up video, and there'll be more experiments doing. They sent me 4 packages of these, so we're going to be doing everything I can imagine. Butcher, what are you doing, Dewey? It's raining and he wants to go inside. But anywho, look guys, I appreciate the support. Keep an eye out on some of these upcoming videos. I have several that are coming that are updates that are featuring items used in past videos. We put some time in with them, and now we can talk about them. Oh, hey, Phil. Hey, buddy. Cat showed up, too. He must be ready to go inside. Well, look, let me get these animals out of the rain. Feel free to like and subscribe. Check out all of our older stuff over on the Instagram, bushcraftkelso.com for gizmos and gadgets. DermaQuik. Check them out. Later.